morning everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. A pretty cool one. I'm not in my typical driving area. I'm actually close to the Nürburgring, and that is because Aston Martin gave me their new facelifted DBX707, 700 horsepower, 900 Newton meters of torque. Insane car. And what's even crazier to me is this is actually a press car, which means I have now been given a press car officially from a manufacturer, which is absolutely crazy for me for running this YouTube channel for less than a year. So big thanks to every single one who has subscribed to the channel, who is following my videos. Crazy for me, honestly. What can I say about the car? It has an insane power output. This is the most powerful car that I've ever driven. I have never been in a 700 plus horsepower car. I think the most powerful car that I've driven before that was the Ferrari FF, 600 horsepower-ish. Now 700 horsepower in the Aston Martin DBX707. And the car goes like crazy. Also handles much better than you would expect from a 2.2 ton SUV. And even in conditions like this, the car has so much grip, handles corners very nicely. Yeah, really crazy what this thing can do in these weather conditions, being such a heavy car. Yeah, and the sound of the car is actually pretty familiar. If you have ever driven a AMG V8, you might notice the sound's pretty much the same. That is because the car has a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 from AMG with different turbochargers in this car, also different software, and therefore a higher power output of 707 horsepower, which also gives this car its name, the DBX707. Yeah, that typical AMG growl, I love it. Really good thing for this car. And compared to the regular Aston Martin DBX, we not only have this much higher power output, but also have different exterior styling. So we got a different, more aggressive front end, we got a different back end, we have a different diffuser in the back, we got 4 exhaust pipes instead of only 2 on the regular DBX, and also more aerodynamic parts on the car, which makes this car look really special. Also, the infotainment is now a bespoke system for Aston Martin. Yeah, gone is the old Mercedes touchpad that we all know from Mercedes back in 2014. Now they have their own bespoke Aston Martin system, and it works just fine. We got Apple CarPlay and all the modern bits that you would want in a system like that. So I'm not too much of an infotainment guy. I'm much more about how the car drives, how it sounds and how it feels, and that is really the selling point of this car for me. But let's not get too much into details. The weather is clearing up right now, and I'm so excited to take this car out on some more dry roads, which we will hopefully get in a bit.